How to create an Amazon account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To create an Amazon account, it is pretty simple. Firstly, launch a preferred browser in your device and search for amazon.com. You will see an interface like this. To create your brand new account, click on Create Account. Then, start off by entering your first and last name, mobile number, and create a password. Then click on the Continue button. Once you have entered all of the necessary credentials, you will have to verify either your email or your phone number. So go ahead and click on Verify button. Then, it will send you an OTP code which you need to enter right over here in this empty field. Once you have received your code and enter it, tap on Create your Amazon account. After that, with couple of steps, you have successfully created your very own Amazon account. Wasn't it simple? So make sure to go ahead and give this a try, and thank you so much for tuning in. We'll see you very soon.